got my daughter in a private school. 2 days after Christmas last year, I paid her school fees in advance for the whole year. As a single mum, I've got no financial worries. 15 months ago, I was the mummy crying in the shower. This is life changing if you are willing and ready to learn the skills. So I want to tell you, when I started with four digital products that I promoted online. I upped it to 8, which is daily pay income streams. And then I've got 2 reoccurring income streams, which gives me 10 income streams, my friend. Reoccurring income streams is making me money without me needing to speak about anything because of what I've learned inside this program. And I'm currently learning to monetize social media, right? So this is not just a product, a course to sell a course, or a program to sell a program. This is valuable. This is life-changing skills that if you are ready to learn them, you can change your life forever. Thank you, Michelle, for showing up that day. Thank you for changing my life forever and a day. And thank you that ricocheted into lives that I was able to change in the past 15